got to do a proper before and after like this, but this radiator fan is essentially the exact same as this one, and pretty much that is how it looked like to begin with. So it's not the same fan, but it was pretty much in the exact same state, completely rusted through. The actual radiator itself on this one is completely damaged and unusable, but the fan will go through the same restoration to come back to normal, because I believe the fan's still working, and eventually after I'm done with it, it will look like this. Any parts I do restore, there'll be, as you can see, I put fresh bolts in, fully restore the bolts. Any parts that are beyond a bit of restoration, new bolts can be supplied. As you can see, it's looking much better, all painted over, rust proof paint. Front spins a charm, all tested. New earth wires connected where old ones were, so as ones on these look a bit shabby. So, yeah, they're a bit ducky and grubby. All these bits replaced, all part of the restoration. All bits will be replaced. Anything that looks icky will be changed. Yeah, come and get your parts in.